Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our channel Law Point. This is Shamal. Union of husband and wife through marriage is a civil contract in Islam. We have our Supreme Court of India's advocate on record, Mrs. Priscina Elizabeth Joseph. So let's watch.
Marriage under Islam is a matrimonial relation and an institution which legalizes the union of male and a female with the objective of mutual support and creation of families. For a valid Muslim marriage, following essential conditions must be satisfied. Every Muslim of sound mind and has attained the age of puberty is free to enter into a contract of marriage. Puberty is the age when an adult can become a father or mother of a child. The age of puberty in Muslim law is normally presumed to be of 15 years. This is different from Hindu and Christian law, where marriageable age of a bride is 18 years and a bridegroom is 21 years. Second essential condition of a Muslim marriage is proposal, that is called Ijab, and acceptance called qubool. Since marriages under Islam law are contractual in nature, there must be a proposal of marriage and an acceptance of marriage at the time of marriage. The rights and responsibilities of a bride and bridegroom are written down in a document called Nikah Nama. Third essential condition of a Muslim marriage is free consent of both the parties to the marriage. If the consent of the party has been obtained by force or by fraud, then the marriage will become invalid. Fourth essential condition for a valid marriage is there shall be no legal disability for the marriage. Now let's see what are these legal disabilities. First is, if the marriage is between persons who come within the same blood relationship, like a man cannot marry his mother, his sister, his daughter, etc., or any other relationship like wife's mother, wife's daughter, etc. Second legal disability is a Muslim man cannot have more than 4 wives. That means a Muslim man is permitted to have 4 wives at a time. If a Muslim man marries the 5th female, then that marriage is considered as irregular under Sunni law and considered as invalid under Shia law. However, the 5th marriage is valid in case of death or divorce of anybody of the 4 wives of his earlier marriage. We have seen that a Muslim man is permitted to have 4 wives at a time. However, a Muslim female is permitted to have only 1 husband. If a Muslim woman is having more than 1 husband, the same is prohibited. It is important to note herein that a Muslim man is prohibited from marrying 2 females who are related by blood or close relatives. That means a Muslim man cannot marry his wife's sister. However, if that wife dies or the husband divorces that wife, then he can marry the sister of his ex-wife. Fourth legal disability is marriage during Iddat period is prohibited. Iddat is that time period for which a Muslim female, a widow or divorcee, has to stay in seclusion and abstain from before marrying another person. This Iddat period for a widow is 4 months and 10 days, and in case of a divorcee, that is 3 lunar months or 3 menstrual courses. The aim behind this is to determine whether or not she is pregnant by earlier husband, so as to avoid confusion as to the parentage of the child. If the Muslim female, divorcee or widow is found pregnant, then the Iddat period continues till the delivery. Another essential condition of a Muslim marriage is the concept of dower. Dower is a consideration paid to a woman at the time of her marriage by her husband as a mark of respect for his wife and to ensure women's financial security. Earlier, minimum and maximum amount of dower to be paid were prescribed. Minimum amount of 10 dirhams, that's around 205 rupees. Maximum dower of 500 dirhams, that's around 10,000 rupees. However, at present there is no minimum and maximum amount of dower as it is very low in the present world. Dower can be classified into specified dower and proper dower. Specified dower is when the amount is specified in the nikah nama, the contract, and proper dower is when the amount is not specified in the nikah nama but it is determined according to the circumstances and financial status of the husband's family. The specified dower can further be divided into prompt dower and deferred dower. Prompt dower means it is paid immediately at the time of marriage or on the demand of the wife. Deferred dower means the payment of dower is deferred to a future date. The word dower and dowry sound similar. However, both concepts are entirely different. Dowry is a value in terms of money or goods payable by bride side to the groom side, whereas dower is a payment in consideration payable to a bride side by a bridegroom side. Dowry is prohibited under Dowry Prohibition Act, but dower is a concept to ensure women's financial security. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.